Ambo! Ambo has been on my other vlogs. By the way, go check those videos out. And he's back. You happy? Mm-hmm. You miss Papa?
I miss Papa.
You love Papa?
Oh, yeah, Papa.
Did you hear that? What he said? All I do is drive.
Oh,
Friday I drove 8 hours straight.
Yeah. That was.
He doesn't give me credit ever.
Well, let's give you credit. I give credit to who credit is deserved. What do you want?
Potato.
You want potato?
Yes.
Potato. Oh my God, Amber, what are you standing on? What is inside?
I said, I did Papa.
Voila. Yes, Ambo is hyped. Yes, guys, from my last video, we went to Ikea. I saw this beautiful chair, you know, quite comfortable for my back. Oh my God, did you hear that? And Ambo is right here. He's gonna help me unbox this. Ambo, how do we open this box? Open it.
Okay,
Can you open it?
this?
Yeah, we have to rip this off. Do you have a knife? Do you have a knife? You don't have a knife. Have a knife. Okay. Who's gonna fix all this? Oh my God. Guys, I think this is gonna take a while, so let's speed up. But how did the first one fit?
How about we read the instructions?
It's for babies. And Ambo is not a baby. Papa. Papa is good. Papa is good. You want to help Papa? Sit down. That is the way you can help Papa. Jesus Lord. What is octopus doing? Throw octopus away. Throw it away. Oh, no. Why? Why octopus?
But at least I'm not dancing alone.
Papa is tired. When I'm done, if I see anybody see. How did you expect me to sit under there? Yeah, just so at least when the chair was upside down, I could have added this piece. But they said no. They tried to move it On page 7.
The 7 pages too long.
I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, mom.
Jesus is Lord. Isn't that awesome, babe?
That's amazing.
Oh my God.
Jesus.
I think we can trash this now. This is mine. That is yours.
What? This is mine.
Mm-mm.
Uh-huh.
Mm-mm.
This is my chair.
That is my
My
chair.
work
That is my
chair.
color. That is my everything.
But your color, you said you
Purple.
like red.
I told you I wanted purple
No,
and black.
you said you wanted
You said
red.
no, the color won't really suit the apartment.
I said
and
that
stuff.
I love the purple. It will fit the apartment so well.
No, you didn't.
Uh-huh.
Woo! Mm-hmm. But you like it? You like it?
Yes.
Chee! Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
verdict on the chair.
The chair is amazing. The chair is comfy. Like, I always wanted a chair that can, you know,
Recline.
recline. Look at this. This is as stiff as a whatever. I don't want to. As a beep. As stiff as a beep. Man, but this right here, this is a dream right here, man. Let me pull this out. It can even go even further. Woo.
Whoa.
Good night.